Many business owners are racing to have AI handle their calls. It's way cheaper, makes them more money, and super scalable. If you've ever wished to be in the AI space, then this video is for you. In under 10 minutes, you'll go from a complete beginner to having what it takes to build your first voice AI agent. And no, you don't need any coding skills or any technical expertise. As long as you have three things, that is a laptop, internet, and the ability to type in English, then you're good to go. We'll be working with vapi.ai, arguably one of the best voice bot building platforms out there. Let's jump into it. So open a new tab here and search vapi.ai. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one and log into your dashboard. So for that, you can see I'm already logged in. So I'll just open my dashboard. But it's simple steps, just creating your account. You can do that with your Google account, etc. So when you arrive at your dashboard over here, you want to click on Assistants, because here's where you're going to be creating the voice AI assistants. Then click on Create Assistant. That easy. Give your assistant a name, something like Customer Support Agent. Then you're starting from a blank template, but the reality is you can start with these quick templates, and what this does is it will give you like a baseline prompt that you can build upon. Okay, a prompt is the instructions that guide the AI on how to handle the phone call conversation. So blank template, create assistant. And I'll guide you through the steps I go through when I'm building any AI voice bot. So this is what you get. Majority of your time is going to be spent on the system prompt over here. So I'll delete all that. So first of all, give your AI agent a first message, something like, "Hello, welcome to Big Grip. How may I assist you today?" So this is a statement it will say when beginning the call. Then what I do is come and paste in this boiler template that you're seeing over here. I call it a skeleton, but it just guides you on the various sections that are normally meant to be in a system prompt. This is the role of the AI, the tasks it's meant to be handling during the call, any specifics in regard to the tasks handled over here, context about the business and the services or products that they offer. Then examples of, let's say, a back and forth conversation between the AI and the user. Then in the notes section is where when you test the AI voice agent and you notice mistakes, you come back here to fix those mistakes within the notes section. So in this case, our AI agent is just going to handle two tasks. It's providing relevant responses to customer queries and booking them into appointments. So it's a simple one. You are Jane, a helpful and enthusiastic customer support agent of Big Grip. Your role is to provide relevant responses to any customer queries and book them into appointments. So that is the role of the AI. We get into the task section. Use information available in the knowledge base to provide relevant responses to whatever question the user may have. That is the first task of the AI. The next task is when the user expresses interest in booking an appointment, go ahead and book them in. And for this, we will provide it access to a certain tool whose function is to book appointments. And in this first one, we need to provide it with the knowledge base. This is any business information that can guide the AI to provide relevant responses. Just a simple PDF document. So for that, scroll down here. Then under files, you want to add a new file. Upload the PDF document containing those information. Once you add it, come and select it over here. So I'll select this one, Ultimate Dental FAQs, just to show you a picture of how that looks. Just a simple question answer pair. So you see the question and the respective answer. Question and the respective answer. So you can see this is a simple knowledge base. Then once that's added, you want to click on publish. So whenever you make any changes to your AI agent, ensure you click publish to save those changes. Then you can quickly test it out.
Hello. Welcome to B-Grip. How may I assist you today?
Just inquiring in regard to what I need to know before coming for my first visit.
For your first visit, we'll conduct a thorough examination of your teeth, gums, and mouth. X-rays may be taken as needed. We accept a variety of insurance plans. Please call to confirm if yours is accepted. We offer several payment options, including cash,
I think
credit
that's
card,
okay.
and payment
that's
plans.
good.
If
That's
you
good.
have any dental anxiety,
I'll just end the call there, but it was a bit scratching on the audio there. It normally does this sometimes when you're testing it out, but don't worry, it won't happen that way in production. So that's baseline what you need to know when building the basic voice bot, okay? And one thing I didn't touch on is the provider and the model here. Most of the time, you're just going to be working with OpenAI GPT-4o cluster, which is the default that has been selected. It's good because it's fast enough and cheap enough. Then in regard to specifics on the tasks that you've provided there, you can now list them down. When the user wants to book an appointment, go through the following steps. Then you list them down there. So you can see this has a couple of steps because it's a bit comprehensive. First, ask the user to provide the following details one at a time: their name, email, and phone number. Then confirm with the user that you have collected the details correctly. For this, read them back to the user. For the name and email, ensure to spell them out, for example. Then I give an example there. The third thing is, once the user confirms you have the right details, ask them when they'd like to book the appointment. Then run the check calendar availability function to confirm whether the time slot is available for booking. If it's not available, the function will give you alternative time slots. Have the user pick one of the suggested slots, then proceed to book them in by running the book appointment function. So notice we will have two functions over here: check calendar availability and booking the appointment. Okay, so that is specifics in regard to the task. Then here in the examples, I'll skip in regard to about the business and what we do, because this has been provided within the knowledge base. Then examples here, ensure you click publish whenever you make changes. Here's the example here. You can see it's just a back and forth conversation, a script between the AI and the user. The AI stands for you, the user is there. So you can just pause and read through that, but I'll also provide the entire of this system prompt so that you can work with it. Then finally, in the notes section, I always have one note that will always be pasted in whatever Voicebot I build. I'll paste it in here, and you can copy it as is and paste it in all the Voicebots you build. I call it prompt seasoning, and what it does is it makes your AI conversations more human-like, more natural. So you can pause and read through that. When generating responses, aim for a casual and conversational tone. Think of how you might talk to a friend in a relaxed setting. Use informal language and common colloquial expressions such as so, yeah, and okay. Avoid formal language and corporate jargon. Instead, focus on making the dialogue flow naturally, using contractions like you're instead of you are, and insert filler words occasionally to mimic natural speech patterns. Strive to make responses sound warm and approachable, using everyday vocabulary and sentence structures. This is a voice conversation, so keep your responses short, like in a real conversation. Don't ramble for too long. Then you want to click on publish. So in regard to these functions that have been attached to the AI, I've done a video completely on tools, and you can go ahead and search through my YouTube channel. You'll find a video on that. And yeah, that's it. We can do a quick test to see how the AI agent works right now.
Hello. Welcome to BGrip. How may I assist you today?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
Kindly book me into an appointment.
All right, let's get you booked in. First, can you tell me your full name?
Alex Walker.
Thanks, Alex. What's your email address?
alex@gmail.com.
Got it. And finally, what's your phone number?
07123456678.
Great. So just to confirm your details, your name is Alex Walker. That's ALEXWALK. Your email is alex@gmail.com. That's ALEX@gmail.com. And your phone number is 07123456678. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. When would you like to book the appointment?
Can we do tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
Sure. Let me check the availability for tomorrow afternoon. Give me just a moment. I'll run the check calendar availability function to verify. Okay. Let me check availability for tomorrow afternoon. In a real system, this would involve querying a database or calendar API. Since I don't have that.
So I'll end the call there. I noticed some mistakes here and there, and that's where I would come down to the notes section here and fine tune it further. Okay, telling it something like when asking user for details, ensure to ask them one by one, something of the sort, or any mistake you might have noticed, then click on publish. And yeah, that's it. That's how you're able to work with Vapi to build AI voice bots that manage phone calls. It's quite powerful because think about all industries where customer calls are going on a day-to-day basis. There's huge opportunity for AI systems to come and automate that work of handling phone calls, because it's huge. When a customer calls, that is high intent that they're actually about to buy compared to chatting. Like when a customer calls, like it's about like this guy is urgently needing your services. So you might as well have an AI handle those conversations to maximize profits. It's quite powerful. If you don't want to work with our team to build such powerful AI systems, then there'll be a link in the description. Go ahead and book in a meeting with our team. Anyways, that's it from me. Till next time, stay survey. Peace.